Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Paint Palette by Jyothi. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to draw beautiful rectangular wooden box with basic shading patterns. Here I am using basic shading patterns like that, smudging, cross hatching, hatching like that, and here you will also learn where to darken and where to lighten the shading. Shading is the process of learning depth, space, light, shadow, and most importantly, it differentiates between the lighter and the darker portion. Without shading, drawing looks unrealistic. By the help of shading, your drawing comes alive, which gives realistic and natural feeling. Shading is all about varying the level of darkness to bring realistic look to your. It is not important in art and drawings, it is just an art form. Now let us start. Let us draw 12 centimeter baseline. Now draw 6 centimeter side lines. Again darkening this 12 centimeter baseline. Now I am drawing 12 centimeter top line also. Now you can get beautiful box shape. Now I am marking 1 centimeter and then again marking 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and here I am marking 3 centimeter. Here also marking 3 centimeters. I am joining both the points. One centimeter and 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Here 1.5 centimeter and again 1 centimeter. Three centimeter. Now I am joining these 2 points. Here also I am joining these 2 points. And drawing this straight line, and I am darkening this sideline also, and joining these both the points. Here also I am joining these 2 points. Now I'm darkening all the lines. Now I'm darkening these base lines, side lines. Box should have a lock also. Let us draw a beautiful lock and handle on the visible side of the box. Now I am giving shadow effect on the right side of the box, right side corner. Here also I am giving dark shade. Keep watching my channel for more drawing and painting related videos regular. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Please share your comments also. Please log into my website www.paintpalette.in. It is suitable for even beginners also. Thank you.